So, Charles Street. This is where we are now. I'm recording it.
No, I'll definitely be picking this up as well.
Oh yeah. You're trying to figure out where it's coming from?
Yeah, I am actually. It's been going on for
Boyer
like-
Street.
We're going through it now.
It's the FG garage on Boyer Street.
Where's that?
Right up past Milan Videos. As you're heading towards Nottingham Road.
Okay. Seems a lot nearer than that.
Yeah.
I know, a couple of years ago it was going off all the time, so we're going there now to catch the guys who come to turn it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, give him a mouthful. So not this street, next street, straight up. Fucking hell. Actually, let's walk up this street just in case.
Maybe someone's house.
Well, I've had it before down this road.
It's so loud that makes, isn't it?
It does, but this is the street I came down last time I found it was Boy Street. Because what doesn't happen, it doesn't stop halfway down. So it sounds like it's over there, but it's not. Ah, fuck. Right, we're closer this time. I want to catch him there. That's where they are. You're trying to figure out where it's coming from? We reckon it's the FG garage on Boyer Street. Not Boyer Street, up that way. Up towards Nottingham Road, near Milan Video. Yeah, that's the one, yeah. Yeah, about a year ago it was going off all the time, it was them. So we're going to try and catch him and turn it off.
It's obviously annoying a lot of people.
It does. Pick the pace up just a touch. So what's that, 4 people?
Yeah, at least. And there's a guy a couple of houses before those people as well who was opening his window.
Yeah, fucking unreasonable. See, it's close enough that if we get the right person now, get there in time, the guy will be looking around his thing, but it could be any one of these cars fucking leaving.
Yeah. There was that silver one that looked like it was parked up before.
You think that was them up there?
Maybe. Looked like the car that we saw parked up there.
That's a taxi.
No, not this one. It's just drove past that way.
Oh, I fucking hope not. I'm gonna catch the cunt tonight. Not having this all night. Right, clear. Someone there parked. I reckon it's them. Yeah. Oh. Hey. You know, just come for the. Yeah, it is you.
Yeah,
Yeah, look, mate, this happened a couple of years ago. We can't have this again all night.
it's got problems, but I'm just trying to fix it.
Yeah, but
That's the reason.
do you know I live like quarter of a mile that way?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Charles Street.
Yeah, I know.
It's as though it's in my bedroom.
Yeah, I know.
So.
It's just no problem. So you have to set that. We try our best to finish.
Yeah, you've got some sort of, you've got a normal alarm and then you've got some sort of sonic alarm on
I
there.
don't know myself. We just had the engineer today and just bloody fixed it.
Yeah, but one of your alarms is too loud. I mean, one of them just covers this area, but one of them is high-pitched sonic noise, mate.
It is because it's just for protection.
Yeah, I get that, but no, just make sure it doesn't go off too more tonight. If it goes off again, just turn it off.
That's fine. That's right.
I don't want to be woken up again. I don't want to be woken up, because this last couple of years ago I had words. I'll just report it again if it goes off. Just keep it down. Yeah. Do you know there's 6 people we walked past tonight outside their houses down Herbert Street, wondering what that noise was? I'll let them know it was you, but keep it down. Not happy? Yeah. Thought it was him.
Yeah.
Told you.